students, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the reading tasks from week 6 and the learner reflection task from week 6. So go ahead and open your ePortfolio tasks. Scroll down to reading, absent email week 6. Click. Scroll down to where you see review. Click to open. Now right-click here, click Print. Choose Save as PDF. Click Save. Check your grade. It will show you in percentages while you are here. Now go to your Google Drive. Open your ePortfolio. Open the Reading folder. Click New, File Upload. Choose Reading, Absent Email, whatever you save it from. It will appear here. Open, check your grade again. Then go to your ePortfolio, open the inventory sheet. Scroll down to the Reading section. Type Week 6, 2022, email, add your grade here. So if you got 70%, add 70. If you got 30 or 50, type the percentage that you got here. Okay, now you've updated the Reading Week 6 folder with your reading absent email, and you've added it to the inventory sheet. Let's go back to our course. And let's save the learner reflection from week 6. Click to open. Click Review. Right-click, Print. Save as PDF. Make sure you waited for me to grade it, and you can see my comments here. If you see my video, click Save. And then save again. Go to your ePortfolio. Open About Me folder. Click New, File Upload. Choose the Learner Reflection Week 6 and upload it here. Now you're all done with week 6 ePortfolio updates.